We're going to do a brief video on Pinduoduo. That's Pinduoduo Stock Analysis. We're looking at a daily chart of that stock, and let's scan back here real quick and see what's going on. We have three moving averages on here: a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day. We can see this stock made a significant top here at around the $200 range, about $212 back in February of 2021. We came down and tested the 200-day moving average for about, I don't know, 2-3 months here, and we finally broke through it, and this stock went into a bear market. You can see that the 200-day started to roll over around September 21, and the price was significantly below. We were formerly in a bear market. We had a really just pretty straightforward bear market that was roughly following the 200-day moving average. You'll notice this gap or this space here was fairly uniform. So this was a really classic sell-off below the 200-day moving average. As we move closer to today, you'll see the stock started to go sideways after it put a bottom in on March. It put a bottom, March of 2022, put a bottom in around $23, went sideways for a little bit, then challenged the 200-day moving average right here at the end of June. This was a really nice trading stock. It did pretty much everything classically. You can see after it put in its bottom, it went sideways a little bit. This was some accumulation, and then it respected the 20-day moving average as it challenged the 200-day moving average. If we expand this out, we can see that it came right up to it, bounced off of it, and oscillated just right above the 200-day moving average, came below, and now it's starting a tremendous rally above the 200-day moving average. This is all pretty typical of how a very nicely traded stock works. If you take a look at what's going now, we're solidly above the 200-day moving average. We're gapping above it. We're in a tremendous rally here from about 53, which is where the 200-day moving average is, to today we're at 69. So that's a nice little rally. We're getting a slight upturn on the 20-day and a solid upturn on the 5-day moving average. So this stock, if it continues this, and if we get some support from the 20-day moving average around here in the $60 range, this stock will have come out of its bear market, and that's what it looks like it's trying to do right now. So basically, from a technical perspective, for entertainment purposes only and all from my own opinion, this stock is attempting to escape its bear market and begin a rally. Now, if we scan back here a little bit, we can see what's reasonable. It's reasonable. This is just really speculative, but it's reasonable that we could come up here and test these prices around the $100 mark. If the 20-day moves up, if the 20-day moving average moves up, if we stay above the 200-day, you could expect this stock to probably in the November, late October to November range, test the $100 range in this stock, maybe $90 to $100. That would be a reasonable assessment at around this point here. Probably it's going to take, I would say, November-ish to get there if it does. But again, we would need to see support on the 20-day moving average and a solid support from the 200-day moving average. So essentially, we'd have to see a confirmation we're in a bear market, and then we could set a target of $90 to $100 as a reasonable level for this stock by around November, assuming everything looks good. All from for entertainment purposes only, in my opinion. Let's take a look and see what's going on with RBAM Research. RBAM Research puts out entry prices, 1, 5, and 20-day holds for stocks every morning before 7 a.m. This sheet is for today, the 29th. Let's take a look and see. This stock is hard for me to pronounce. Pinduoduo is right here, and we have a 1-day of 53 and change, a 2-day at 54 and change, and a 20-day at 56 and change, all buys. So let's see how that's doing so far today. What did we say here? 53, 54, and 56. Let's see. Does not look like we've touched it at all yet. So we've got this good sharp rally on this stock. Let's make sure that this is today's. Yep, so today it has not gotten down to that level. It's gapping to the upside today, so you wouldn't have a chance to enter the stock at those levels. But that's essentially what RBAM Research does. They come out with for stocks these 3 different algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. And the way they work, these are trading day holding periods, 1, 5, and 20-day worst case holding periods. So if you bought today, you'd close out worst case at the end of trading tomorrow at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you got it. Same thing for the 5, same thing for the 20. If you bought the 20 column, you would buy today, close out worst case at a loss on 20 trading days, or take your profits sooner, assuming you got them. These are all for entertainment purposes only. You never use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to obviously buy or not on your own analysis. But these are a great form of entertainment. They're really helpful, in my opinion, to get an idea of what's going on in the market, and it's helpful to look at information somebody else has run through their algorithms and see where you are with your thinking. You can get these all every day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. That's rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below, and again, they're updated Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major forex pairs, BTC for crypto, and the most liquid futures. Everything is buys and shorts except for stocks, which are currently long only. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. You can go to rbamresearch.com and register to get the prices. If you want to leave a comment on how to make these videos better for us, we'd really appreciate it. Just leave a comment in the section below. Everything you've heard, including the commentary, is all for entertainment purposes only. It's all our opinion. Everything you see on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our entry prices, and you definitely trade at your own risk.